Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve server error on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve server error on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to CapCut and you can click. After that, in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.